Hey guys, welcome to another Cooking with Jared episode today. We're gonna cook something very simple and we're gonna be using our Dutch oven here. And this is a cobbler in a Dutch oven. People love this on tour. It's really easy to cook and we only have 3 ingredients. So we basically have our white cake mix. We have any kind of topping that you want. I'm gonna use cherry because for 2 parts, for 2 reasons. Cherry works great in a cobbler, and then after we're done with our cobbler, the leftovers, they're gonna show up in our breakfast tomorrow. And the only other ingredient you need is a whole lot of butter. This is awesome. So here we go, enjoy.
It's not for me to say.
Okay, the first thing you're gonna do for your cherry cobbler is you wanna line your Dutch oven like this. So we're gonna do this so that it doesn't make a huge mess, and you're gonna wanna use this so you can pull it out when you're done, when you have leftovers. So let's line up our Dutch oven here. Now you'll probably have some leakage of the butter going through, but that's no problem at all. Okay, so our butter, here we go. We're gonna put some in here, and you're gonna use about a half a stick of butter. And we'll just let that heat up right there in our coals for a few minutes. Okay guys, next I'm gonna use the cherry topping here. So we're gonna open the cherry topping up. Really simple. I'm gonna use 2 cans because I like a lot of liquid, and it's always better to use 2 cans for every cake mix you use. So check this out. We just pour this in like this. Now you can see that butter is just heated up in there. And we're gonna put our other cherry topping in there like this. There we go, looking good. This is exactly what we want to see right there. Okay, now we're going to take our white cake mix and we're going to simply open it up. Now watch, I'm just going to sprinkle this on top like this. Okay, and then you just smooth it out like this. And lastly, what we're going to do is take our butter. Now this butter is really soft, so we're going to simply take pieces of butter in little slivers like this, and we're gonna put those on top like this. Little sliver. All right, there we go. Okay guys, now that we have our cobbler all ready to go, we're just gonna turn these in like this. All right, move this over to the side and simply take your top, put it on top like this, and then we're gonna go put this thing in our coals right here. Okay guys, we're gonna put some coals right here on top of our cobbler, right here. So you wanna put more coals on top than you do on the bottom because heat rises and generally it'll cook a little hotter on the bottom in the Dutch oven. All right guys, well, as we always do in a beautiful Escape Adventures night, comes down to dessert in the dark, and that's where we're at tonight. So we have a beautiful Dutch oven cherry cobbler right here, and look at it bubble. The butter's cooked in, just bubbling, waiting for us to devour it. So let's go try this out. All right guys, so just looking in here we go. Looks good. We'll take a delicious piece of this cobbler out of here, put it right here on our plates. Guys, thanks again for joining us on Cooking with Jared, the Escape Adventures way. And tonight again, we are having fresh, homemade, Dutch oven, cherry cobbler with a little whipped cream. And you can see it's starting to melt right on top because this is so hot and ready to eat. But this is so easy, just butter, cake mix, and cherry topping, and you have it right there. So I hope you enjoy this at home with your friends or your family, or out on an Escape Adventures tour. Thanks again. Have a great night.